unboxing and installing this 3D wooden world map. This 3D world wooden map was made in Ukraine and was by the company Enjoy the Wood.
Map came in a beautiful package, as you can see.
It was shipped from Ukraine to Sydney. Installing the map, it's a good idea to lay the map on the floor to get a better understanding of where each piece goes. The next step is to stick the tape on the back of the pieces. So for example, I'm going to take Brazil and we're just going to stick it on the sides here, maybe here, here, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So this is the final product. It looks really amazing. It has brightened up our wall. It's very colourful, as you can see here. There's all the places from Earth right in this wooden map, and it also goes in the dark. Thank you for listening.